In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NinjaTrader in NinjaTrader. Now to do this, first you want to open NinjaTrader and you want to open up a chart by going to your control center, new and then chart, and you want to open whatever chart you want. And then from here, when your chart opens, you want to go to the top and click on this button, which is the Chart Trader, and you want to go and click on Chart Trader over here, which is going to pop it over here on the right. So it's actually super simple to use it. First, you want to select your account, so you want to make sure the connection is set. If it's not, you're going to have to connect to any of your connections to be able to see your accounts. Go ahead and select the one you want. I'm going to go with this one. And then you can, of course, go and select the instrument. So you can, of course, click here in the market analyzer, and it's going to change to whatever instrument you want to trade. Then you can do TIF, whatever you want this to be. And you can, of course, select the order quantity, which I'm going to do one right now. And if you want to use any ATM strategies, they're over here. You can find them. I'm just going to click on none. And that's kind of your summary. And you can then just go ahead and select up top if you want to buy or sell market, buy ask or sell ask, buy bid or sell bid, or whatever you want to do. I'm actually just going to go and click on buy market over here, and you have to confirm this. If you do not want to have to confirm every single time, you can also disable this order confirmation and hit the yes button.
Order filled.
There we go. As you can hear, it said order filled in the back, which means I've successfully filled my order. And that's essentially all there is to using a chart trader in NinjaTrader. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.